This is the recap video for the 23rd of March.
Yeah.
So,
no lunchtime class.
no lunchtime class. So if you're watching this in years to come and you're wondering what's going on, this is the year of the COVID-19 coronavirus.
Epidemic.
So,
Pandemic.
So the country is now in a state of lockdown. In our class today, we normally have a biscuit break. Today we had a Boris break. Boris Johnson being our Prime Minister, our great exalted leader, and he's been given daily press conferences about the situation and imposing new rules on it. And do see idiots go into the beach and just trying to spread this virus around as much as they possibly can. We've now got real limitations on when you can go out and things like that. Anyway, it doesn't stop us from running our evening class.
No.
And we're doing it via Zoom online. So we had a good class tonight. Lots of people there coming in. Some people just seeing what it's all about. Other people actually fully taking part. Because these classes are basically because people are in isolation. You have some people who are in couples at home, so we have couples joining the class. But we also have a lot of solo dancers. So we've been designing the content so that you are still able to take part in the class and interact with everybody, whether you're a solo dancer or a couple. So we started off with a lot of walking technique. So we started off with the Tango posture. I'm being attacked by a cable. So from the side on, I've got my feet in a side V shape. I'm leaning forwards, got a slight flex in my knees. My heels are off the ground. We talked about the chest being over the ball of the feet to create this point where our centre of gravity or our centre of mass is going through the balls of the feet, creating that axis. We're going to balanceo from left foot to right foot. Then we talked about walking forward, so we talked about projection forward, moving the chest, driving off the standing leg and stepping through, relaxing that trailing leg to bring the feet together before moving it forward and stepping off. So we talked about how this would create a walk if I did this across the screen, where I would step, pause, step, pause. So it's quite a rhythmic walk, so if you wanted to emphasise certain parts of the music. However, if you have a smoother music or you want to really drive through, we can also modify this to be a step through. And again, we're moving our chest continuously for this. We then talked about side steps, about projecting to the sides. This is how followers do side steps. The leaders can do them as well. And then bring our chest over that knee, over the ball of the foot. Again, we're still in the Tango posture and releasing the ankle to bring the foot in. But then we also talked about it from a point of view of a leader, moving his chest first and then moving the chest underneath. We then talked about going backwards, so Alison will cover this very briefly.
Yeah, so it's quite similar to what we have in our tutorial series that's up at the moment. So we're talking about really extending back as a follower when you're travelling backwards, reaching back with the inside ball of the foot and the big toe. So you're stretching back. You're then going to push down on your standing leg to get the last couple of inches. Roll the foot back to change weight. Make sure you keep forward as you release the front foot. And then you're going to do the same again on the second step. So really reaching back, pushing down on that standing leg to push further back again and pulling in together.
So we did our normal warm-up exercise by balanceo onto the left foot, so our right foot is free. We stepped, this was in with music, stepping forward, bringing the feet together, and stepping forward again, taking the side step, so projecting, bringing the feet together, then taking 2 steps back, again pausing in the middle before stepping back and taking the side step. We then did this on the other foot, and then we modified this to so we had the smooth movement, so we were stepping, side step, stepping, so with none of that pause in between. Then for the people in couples, we did a little bit of couple modification to this. So the solo dancers could keep going through this box, but for the couple, we first of all did this with the pausing. So we're stepping forward, pausing, stepping forward, pausing, taking the side step, and the same one going back. So stepping, stringing together, stepping, and go to the side. We then did it smoothly, smooth, smooth, side, smooth, smooth, and side, and obviously doing that in both ways. We show what we mean about the different options we've got as a leader. So here, I'm just going to project my foot first. So my foot is projected. So Alison, I haven't moved my chest, therefore my follower should not have projected her foot. And then as I take my weight over, my chest starts moving, so my follower starts projecting her foot, and we come together. Or we did the option where I move my chest first, so I've moved my chest, therefore the follower starts to project, I then move my foot under, so we got these two options for leading the side steps, and these create different characters, and also they allow us to do different moves later on. For the core concept of the class, we looked at ochos or pivots, so we really talked about how to make sure you don't get your ochos stuck in routines, and we looked at a way of improving your balance, so you get beautifully balanced ochos with lots of ability to rotation, so you're not cheating and creating unnecessary movement in your dancing. So we did this with sticks. We will do it for sticks in these in this recap video, but we used the stick just to show that our chest was staying forward, so our chest was always facing forward. We bounced it onto the left foot, pivoted our lower half, so our hips to my left. I'm stepping forward, arching my foot around, and as I step forward, I put my chest over my knee, which is over the ball foot. I've still got that flex. I've driven off my straight standing leg again, and then as I've got this massive torsion now in my back, as I release my trailing foot, I can pivot using that power in my back, and because I've got my heels off the floor, I've got a single pivot point, and I can do the same to the left. So I'm arching that foot forward, bring my weight over, and getting this pivot, and I'm keeping my chest towards the wall each time. We talked about making sure we don't get caught in routines while doing this. So as we can do smaller steps forward, we're always trying to bring the chest with the leg. We don't want to be extended massively and then bring the chest over. That's disjointed. But if we bring everything together, we do big steps, small steps, and we can really create some dynamics with this. We also talked about changing the amount of rotation we get through your pivot. So if I pivot my hips a little bit less, I can make my ochos come forward. I'm still arching my foot around. I can travel. I can also overturn my ochos by turning them backwards. My hips are facing backwards, stepping forward. When we do this, we can't quite, depending on how much flexibility you've got in your back, you will struggle to get all the way around. So your chest does have to move out of the line, but you should still have enough tension in your back to be able to drive the pivot. To keep yourself balanced, we're really making sure the knee is over the ball of the foot and our weight is over that ball. Once we're in that state, we are balanced. That's the physics of it. It's as simple as that. There's no mystical energy or anything complicated about it. It's a line. It's a line. It's really simple. We also talked about how we can do this in partnership. So if you do have somebody with you, they can just do their normal side steps and you can practice your pivots. They can change the amount of angle they've got. We can also do it, so swap, so leaders can practice their ochos as well, and we discussed that leaders should really practice their ochos. It's unusual to see leaders doing ochos like followers would do it, like a sequence of ochos.
With a full pivot, essentially.
With a full pivot, but anything from cicadas, cadenas, reverse cicadas, anything where the leader has to twist to put their feet between the follower's legs or step and create a circle motion. The same technique from ochos applies to this, so you should be able to do ochos for that. And also, if you really want to have fun when dancing tango, and tango is about dancing fun, or having fun while dancing, you can lead your follower to take side steps while the leader does ochos. It looks a bit odd, and I'll get people talking.
It feels a bit weird.
It feels a bit weird because people go, "Oh, is the follower now taking over the lead?" No, it's a pure illusion. We're using the technique to do it, but it's something that you can do. And if you really want to have fun and not really show off, but do something a little bit different.
Changes the dynamic a little bit.
Yeah, creates variety, and variety is the spice of life. While living within your four walls of your house.
Yes.
So anyway, that's the recap video. We look forward to seeing you next week. We obviously with our classes we interact with you all the time. Yeah. So yeah, please join us. If you like this video, Please like it, click the little bell icon and press subscribe to get our notifications. Even if you don't like it, please click the like button, it helps with algorithms. Also, we have got
Share it as well.
yeah. Also, we've got a Facebook page, lots of information on that. Twitter, Instagram, like all those. We've also got a GoFundMe page. Obviously, because we're not running classes, even though we don't charge in our classes, we do it by donation, which goes into the running of the club. So, if you want to continue to support us, we have got that GoFundMe page as well.
So hopefully we'll be able to run some events later in the year.
Yeah. Anyway, please take care of yourself.
Yes, be safe.
Take care of others, and we'll see you next week. Thank you for watching this Urban Tango Nights recap. If you like these videos, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the logo. You can find more of our class summaries down here and other videos of us dancing tango over here. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Meetup. Links are in the description below, and you can also subscribe to our newsletter using the link below.